Here we have an eastbound BNSF Burlington Northern Santa Fe freight train at the Flagstaff Amtrak station. The bells are starting to ring on the crossing, and it sounds like we have a GEVO. Hopefully my camera doesn't die. It's an intermodal train, powered by a GEVO. Blow the horn. This is a quiet sound. I wish you would do a horn show. Here is the railroad preemption cycle going on the Here we have a westbound BNSF freight train, intermodal train. With a GE Evolution Series. Here goes the crossing that's closest to me. With that classic GE chug. This is an intermodal train. Not going too fast though, because of all the curves. Short one too. There's the end of it. No DP units on this one. Westbound Burlington Northern Santa Fe intermodal train at Route 66 in Flagstaff. It's leaving the curve. Anyways, that's it for now. Hopefully we get another train here soon. Anyways, that's it. Here we have a westbound BNSF freight train. It appears to be another intermodal train. Here it comes. The bells are going to ring. Are you a rail fanner as well? Does he do YouTube rail fanning?
He might.
Yeah, I do it sometimes. I'm interested in trains.
Yeah.
Maybe. Some of them do it. He might do it since there's all of us out here. whole bunch of GE power there. Evolution Series Chivos. Sorry about the camera, it's a little shaky. This is an intermodal train. Can't go too fast because of all the curves on the track. This is the second train we've saw today. And we might get another one here soon. Refrigerated cars. Refrigerated containers. Well, this is all refrigerated. They all have their own diesel supply because the freight locomotives don't have the power to run them. Semi-trailers. And there's the end there. Yep, it's going out of the curve there, and he's about to go out of sight. There he goes, out of sight. Anyways, I'm going to zoom out. There's the crossing number. Beaver Street. That's where we are. We're at the station here in Flagstaff on Route 66. Anyways, hope you enjoyed, and that's going to be it for this train. And so that's it. Yep, it's going out of the curve there, and he's about to go out of sight. There he goes, out of sight. Anyways, I'm going to zoom out. There's the crossing number. Beaver Street. That's where we are. We're at the station here in Flagstaff on Route 66. Anyways, hope you enjoyed, and that's going to be it for this train. And so that's it.